Say, this is Don Pavlica coming at you from Grand River Detailing in Howell, Michigan. In this 3-minute and 40-some second video, we're going to show you how to remove orange peel and improve throughput. Hi, this is Don Pavlica from Grand River Detailing in Howell, Michigan. Here is the 3-inch sanding system for removing orange peel, and these are 2 buffers and 1 sander that you see hooked up with an air inlet to your loft. Okay, here's a quick photograph of the Rupes 3-inch. I'll be using all 4 steps with this one tool. Okay, please note also that I show the interface pad that will be used in the 2 sanding steps. It's pretty thick and it will follow all the undulations in your panel that you are sanding. Okay, so let's get to this mist or damp sanding system. I'm going to shoot the disc and I'm going to get the area a little bit wet. And I'm going to have my detail microfiber cloth ready. Now I'm just going to do a small area in here. So I'm going to lay it down, and you can see with the weight it compresses. I'm not putting any weight on it, but this will follow any undulations that I might have in my panel. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and run the 2000 grit disc, pardon the law. Okay, mist the area, mist the disc, and set this aside in a safe place. And I'm going to go and I'll expand just maybe an inch or 2 beyond. Start and stop on the surface. To order the kits, stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so here we go. Go to djpavlica.com. Grab what you see here, the 3-inch kits, select it, and away you go. And as these 2 lovely ladies are smiling in appreciation for what we've been able to accomplish in 2 sanding steps. Hopefully this will reduce your time significantly and improve your finish and increase your throughput. The buffing steps will be followed in a second video in just a moment. And as always, you make it a great day.